I just want to say, I think the Trump and the team of his is doing a fantastic job. Yes, they are. I don't get into politics, and I don't want to talk about who I'm voting for or anything like that. I do wear an awesome hat, you know. Oh, let me get a drink. Alright. Yeah, let's leave politics out of it. I think he's doing a good job. I hope everybody's staying huddled and doing good. Just a little Papa Texas update. Yeah, I just got home. It's weird out there. Y'all stay safe. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. Stay 6 feet apart. Wash your hands. It's Papa. Papa Texas. Oh no, it's over there. Papa Texas. See ya.